F80 Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in it, be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just jack whip, tell roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna work on the big turbo F80. I'm gonna put on port injection. So finally, this shit gonna get turned up, man. But first and foremost, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this install, man.
Oh, yeah. Between me and you. That's all things about.
Bro. The reservoir feel coolant.
What it look like, see? Yeah, I gonna need a new one. Ah, the one online.
Yeah, but you have the turbo now.
Turbo no.
Yeah, cause you have to get to the way him over there, so I gotta bend this. Bend the clamp on the turbo here, so.
Oh no, man, I just take out that one. Well, you can always at the time afterward. Oh shit, never know that. I know that I blow. Well, on your phone, you do that so.
Yeah. Alright, so right now he's taking off the clamp off the piece right here for the J pipe. Yeah, bro. So yeah, I say you're gonna take off them, Alex. Oh, the one from the turbo.
Yeah. I don't know why I keep taking up the time. It is at 8.
This vlog of the Yardman edition.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Yep. Just like that. And then kind of flip it. I remember say the coolant hose can flex, you know.
Yeah, not that many do last time.
So that's off.
Actually,
I just want to take off everything I done.
Nah,
You have a clamp?
I'm gonna make it better. There's a screw that's holding this right here. Okay. E10. Let's take this bolt off so you can swing around better.
Oh, off of the line.
Yeah. Oh, let me see.
Yeah, so you can get more space. Alright, so right now you're just taking off the intake manifold studs, or the screws, I should say.
There's screws and studs.
Yeah. Well, you're gonna need the torques.
Yeah. This last one.
Yo, this one over here gonna be a bitch.
Not really. I'll show you over.
No, this one. The one in the back.
I'm gonna show you
Gonna
how
be a
we get
bitch, bro. All these damn wires and shit.
Oh no, what me I'm gonna fucking ratchet it. Hey, I'm putting. Of course you drop. Drop? Yeah, but it's alright. Should have one more. Yep, one more right here.
You got one all the way at the back, you know, that one there catch.
Yeah.
And then you have one more down in as well.
Yeah, this is the last one right here.
Alright guys, so we're gonna take off all of this real quick and then I'm gonna pick up by the camera. Alright guys, so all the bolts of the intake manifold is off, but right now we're just taking off the wires off the ECU. Alright, so now we're just gonna we're taking out the OEM screws, and then we're gonna put in the new extended ones. Alright guys, so all of the studs are in right now. So now we're gonna have to find a way to move this shit so we could put the fuel line on it. So we could put this fuel line for the port. So it's gonna go like under here to the, if you guys can see it right there, the stock line. So it's gonna go right there in between those. But first we're gonna have to move this black clip right here so we could get to the OEM line. So we need the clip right there, so.
Safety. Got the safety clip off.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I'll go.
Yep. Probably go put the rag underneath the line. So remember, you have to go squeeze it, then push the push the OEM line.
I got trying to put that shit. You know what? I should have put the rag under before I take the pin off. Cause imagine me trying to push this under here now and that shit starts squirting. You feel dead.
But with that, and then use the other side over here so if you hold it.
That should be good. I'm gonna take this rag in case shit start coming up.
Yo, 85 ever going there yet? Boom box lot, boy.
Hell nah.
Bro, you know how I feel that, bro?
I don't want that too.
Remember, squeeze the pin, push down the line, and then dry it.
That's out then. That should be better if I probably would have screwed them on, but I don't need to do all that extra shit. Shit, I might have to. This shit.
You probably have to bend the line a little bit.
Man, I'm too big for that.
I think they use a spanner for this. Yeah, bro. Just like that. Oh.
Just like that, y'all.
Yeah,
Why they install this line.
alright guys, so right now we setting up the port, putting in the gasket. So it should be like the same shit for this, but for the port. Alright, so we put the gaskets in the port injection. So now we're just connecting everything, all the connector for the injectors and all of that. Alright guys, so quick tip, when y'all doing it on the F80, y'all gonna have to remove the clip from right here that holds the
High pressure?
nah, that you hold the anyway, this
Okay.
the wire for
For
the
the starter.
yeah, and then y'all gonna have to remove the lines for the high pressure fuel pumps. So that's how we got it. Alright guys, so we got everything buttoned up right now. We're just gonna put on back the intake manifold real quick. Got all the lines back, vacuum line back to the part right here. So we're gonna put on back everything and then we're gonna get our first start. So stay tuned. And if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get this channel to 10k subs, man. Alright guys, so here's kinda the finished product. We still got the clamp to go like right here, and this piece to that goes to the J pipe right here, and then basically that's it. Put in back some minor shit. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of the install. It's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and peace. I'll catch y'all in the next one.